my god.
Dude. Man, my ears fucking ring.
Dude, that's an echo. Huh? Dude, that shit actually echoed.
Okay, I can hear you that time, but at the beginning I couldn't
Oh,
hear you.
fuck.
Hey. I'm better.
Yeah, this is what I'm used to.
Try to scream my ear. Okay, I can hear.
Oh.
Oh, damn, bro.
Dude, I think the summer's gonna be worse.
And plus us being up that close, because if we was over there,
It's still gonna be loud.
yeah. But you gotta think about the grandstand too. It's gonna vibrate every fucking thing.
Dude, you didn't hear that echo though? That wow.
I'm gonna probably go for a little. This is last class. This will be it, right?
Yeah, because the semis and the trucks is coming out. This last week.
So it'll be 4 classes.
No, you're the third class.
So this will be it.
I think.
Hey, I'm just letting you know they are doing the last class. So this is it'll be done soon. I know. Let's go to the last class. Alright. Yeah, I think these are the worst. Watch out for the eardrums.
Ah, damn.
You see it? I'm just gonna do this. But you know, I ain't no bitch. We ain't no bitch. We're a real man, bro. But it will affect the little children though, to be honest. Like, for like little kids, it can actually affect the ears.
The first one, like, fuck you, bitch.
Damn. I don't think he went past it though. I think it's a number 2. The first one was that red. These are the trucks, right? Yeah, that red truck's the first one.
No, the semis right there.
Alright. Here's where somebody's talking about me. No. Yeah, somebody's talking about me. One of my exes. Morgan Schlotman. Because she does live in Baton Rouge. And yeah, Courtney. But other than that, my ears still raining from that first fucking truck. I might have to use fucking Q-tips. I can't hardly hear anybody. Good job, Phoenix. Hope you stay number 2, man. Well, once you stay at number 2, it's gonna stay like that, right? Yeah, because this is kind of like one of the classes, like that red truck.
I want to have a smaller engine. I'm not that loud.
Good grief. Woo. Yeah. That felt a little different now. Can't fucking hear. Son of a bitch. God damn. Oh, God.
Watch him pop that really
I bet he won't.
all the way down here. Hold that really.
That was fucking. Hey, you got that on camera. Damn. And a whoop.
A whoop.
A whoop. There are 2 classes that are being packed up now.
Oh yeah. This one is a semi. Going across. Now it's in the semi as the last seat. See? You're letting the semi is next.
Semi's be on that side? I thought they used to be on this side. They would not know how to take a video either and post it. done this before, and I told her the same fucking thing, and she didn't want to leave.
That was the fucking truck I was talking about.
We're going to put the wild warrior down at 387.416. 387.416 for the wild warrior.
I rub it every time. You don't go to shift here. You just make sure you got her right here. You go.
Wait, man.
He can't move.
She's standing right there.
No.
Is she?
No.
Oh, her truck said this. Her truck said it's at his house.
So your mom got one.
Tow tractor on the way. There we go. Got one on the way. Thank you very much.
So your mom, not you, John.
Nope.
No?
My mom don't live in Sonya no more.
Yeah, I got one from St. Mary's. There's no way back home. St. Mary's. It's supposed to buy.
I don't know where in St. Mary's. And with my grandpa's condition, driving at nighttime is
Right. If she got her truck, she'll be fine then. I heard once you get back to his house, drive you something.
even notice. What do I have?
shit. I'll tell her fucking come over. I mean, she really needs somebody. She needs somebody that is not a fucking asshole. She really needs a friend.
If you want to start shit, you swinging, not me. Yeah, that's a pretty stuff. You know what's the best part about it? I got my camera over there.
Also, the Ohio State Tractor Pullers would like to thank the Old Wayne Tractor Repair out of Greenwood, Ohio, for being a circuit sponsor of our CBA. From Charles Silver's work to all of the three major overhauls, they specialize in Mac Global International Income Ends. Old Wayne Truck Repair, Greenwood, Ohio, up in Carroll County, second man of circuit sponsor of the Ohio State Tractor
That's cool,
Pullers.
yeah. Look at the shoes. They look no, behind us. Behind us. All the way. Oh, no, all the way up. Look at views. At that age. Oh, yeah.
Good to see you, Greg.